Alright, hi guys. I am coming in to do another haul video. I told you the other day in my other video that I had another package coming from BH Cosmetics directly that I ordered some new palettes, and I'm very excited about this box. Just off the start, nothing came in broke, so I'm very excited about that. And this is the second time I'm doing this video, so now I have a little visitor. This is my son, Elijah. Excuse his clothing. So I'm going to try to get this video done so you guys can see everything with me holding him. So let's go ahead and get this started. I purchased a Flawless Brow Highlighter. It came in a double-ended. It is matte on one end and shimmer on the other end. Now, I have all these boxes open so that you guys could see it faster. But like I said, it's my second time doing this video, so I have to do it again. But alright, so here's what it looks like. Now this did come, you see how it's a little tilted. It did come a little melted. It fell to the side, but I live in Las Vegas, so the heat is nothing to me. So I my son tossed it in the freezer and it was back to normal. This Urban Looks Cool to Go kit. This one was easy to open this time. So in this box came this little 6-color palette. I gave the little cotton applicator to my mom because I don't like those. So that's the colors. I got this Illuminate by Ashley Tisdale. This is cream cheek and lip tint, and the color is Espresso. What you doing, buddy? Can you say hi? So this is the little container, little pop-up, and that is the color. If you watch my makeup video that I attempted to do, this is the color that I have on my lips at first before I added the extra eyeshadow and the different tone lipstick. Okay, I also got this Marble Collection Warm Stone palette. It has 12 eyeshadows in it. Comes in a marble color case. And these are the colors. Now, when I saw this online, I thought all of these were matte, but there's some shimmers in here, but that's okay. Oh, bless you. And I also got this BH Cosmetics Studio Pro Dual Effect Warm and Dry eyeshadow. Now, I'm not going to swatch these for the simple fact that I will be using these in future videos to do makeup tutorials. Hopefully they get done right this time. Take the protective sleeve off. And that's what these colors look like. Use them dry for more of a sheer color and use them wet for a more intense color. And last but not least, my favorite. I couldn't wait to get this, and I had no clue that this just came out. It is called Aurora Lights. This is the palette that I did this entire makeup look with. So, it comes in this little slide out. You get 18 baked eyeshadows. Comes in a little flip up. Did with here. My son's so interested. See? You see the colors? Oops, you got bookies. Alright. I was trying not to blind you guys. But these are the colors. This is one of my favorite palettes I have ever purchased, and after doing my makeup with it, I am fully addicted to this. and I need to get the rest of the Galaxy palettes because I love this. I'm not sure if BH Cosmetics is still having their bundle sale with this. It's a limited edition. It comes with this and it also comes with makeup brushes, but they actually put that on the website the day after I ordered this, but that's okay because I got this and that's all that mattered. And last but not least, he's having so much fun over here, you guys. Also, I got some more of my eyelashes from our store. These are the ones that I'm wearing. They are 3D volume. They are not mink eyelashes, they are faux lashes, and the design is tulip. I know when I showed this in my last video, I had some rendering issues, so it kind of froze, and I didn't realize that until after I uploaded. And like I said, it was hot. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning, but the video got done, and you guys got to see the look, so that's okay. You can get those lashes on my website, which should be linked down in the description bar. Guys, my phone is running hot, so it is shutting my videos off, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I pretty much got everything I wanted in that video, so you guys were able to see that. So I'll see you guys again. All right, bye. Say bye.